రాష్ట్రంలో 766 కిలోమీటర్ల జాతీయ రహదారుల శంకుస్థాపన ప్రారంభోత్సవ కార్యక్రమంలో కేంద్ర మంత్రి నితిన్ గడ్కరీ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారం ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
Of Hyderabad Vijayawada section, that is 540 crore, 25 kilometers is under process. We will 100% going to award it as early as possible. Construction of flyover at Bhel Junction on Pune Hyderabad section. We are going to start this work as early as possible before the next year start. The construction of 2-lane of ROB at Jadcherla Kalwang Kurti section, also that is under consideration, and we will see that it will be awarded as early as possible. 2-lane with the paved shoulder of Nakrikal Nagarjun Sagar section, 100% this is in the process. The construction of VUP to improve road safety in NH 44, and we are in the process and we will make it as early as possible. This is a 9,000 crore projects of 470.05 kilometers. 100% within 6 months we are going to award all this project. Projects which are under bidding now and we want to start it as early as possible. These are also very important project, that is 4-laning of Thallampadu village to Rucherla village of Khammam, Telangana section, NH 365 BG. The cost of the project is 2,000 crore. The length is 106 kilometer and 100% it is under bidding. Within 3-month time period, we are going to award this. Package 1 as Thallampadu village to Somavaram village. The cost is 700 crore. We are going to award it within 3 months. The Somavaram village to Chintagudam village, the cost is 552 crore. Length is 30 kilometer. We are going to award within 3 months. Package 3 of Chitugudam village to Racherla village. This is also 707 crore. The kilometer is 43. We are going to award within 3 months. Rehabilitation and upgradation of Nakarikal to Nagarjun Sagar section, that is 370 crore. That is also in the process. Within 3 months we will award this. Improvement of road safety through provision of vehicular underpass and service road on Hyderabad Bangalore section. 100% we will award within 3 months. This is total the cost of 2,500 crore and the kilometer length is 192 kilometer in the bidding process, and within 3 months we will 100% going to allot these projects. The projects under DPR stage, where we need your cooperation for land acquisition, where we can accelerate the speed of the projects. There are 21 number of works on NH which total length is 1,422 kilometer and total cost is 28,000 crore. We are going to start this project. If you complete the land acquisition process as early as possible, we will 100% start this project. This project is under DPR preparation and we will get immediately the DPR and we will start the process. The works are likely to be completed by 23-24. So naturally, if you increase the speed of land acquisition, we will be in position to start this project. Akkalkot Kurnool in Bharatmala Solapur Kurnool, that is of 1,800 crore of 77 kilometer. Jadcherla Marikal Hyderabad Panji Economic Corridor, Panaji, that is of 1,000 crore. Then this is under DPR. Then the Marikal Dosugar Hyderabad Panji Economic Corridor section, that is cost is 1,000 crore. Khammam Andhra Pradesh border to Suryapet Hyderabad, Devarpalli Visakhapatnam Inter Corridor. The cost of the project is 2,000 crore. Jagital Karimnagar, the cost of the project is 1,500 crore. Then Warangal Karimnagar, the cost of the project is 1,700 crore. And these are very important projects. Armoor to Mancherial, that is also cost of the project is 2,600 crore. Karimnagar to Maharashtra border, that is Hyderabad, Raipur, other economic corridor, Greenfield. The cost of the project is 3,000 crore. We want to award this as early as possible. The Mancherial Warangal, that is Nagpur Vijayawada economic corridor, Greenfield. The cost of the project is 2,500 crore. This is also under a DPR stage. We want to start it as early as possible. Warangal to Khammam that is section of Nagpur Vijayawada Economic Corridor, and the cost is 2,100 crore, is 108 kilometers. These are very important projects where we want to start it as early as possible. The Khammam Vijayawada, that is Nagpur Vijayawada Other Economic Corridor, the cost is 21,100 crore. Then Hyderabad Maneguda NH 163, the cost is 900 crore. Kodad Khammam NH 365A, the cost is 931 crore. Then Kalyan Nirmal section, the cost Nanded Nirmal Inter Corridor, the cost is 1200 crore. Then Nirmal Khanapur Jagital package 2, that is cost is 550 crores. And Nizampet Narayan Khed Bidar Road, the cost is 400 crore. I know that these are very important roads. I want to award this road as early as possible, and these are very important links. The Madnoor Bodhan Nizamabad section, then Jangaon to Dudela NH 365B, then Sirisila to Siddipet Dudela, then Khammam Kurvi NH 365 and NH 167 from Kalamkurti to Kallapur, Rampur, Shivapuram and Karivana Road. The cost involved is 1,000 crore. So total 28,000 crore cost is involved, and the kilometer is 1,422. So we want to make this project start as early as possible. These are in the process. We have already sanctioned this project. We need your cooperation for land acquisition. Regarding the CRF work, I am today declaring 500 crore more CRF work to Telangana. My request is to send me the proposal for the CRF. We will clear it as early as possible, because we are already this year we are releasing 253 crores. And for the immediately you submit with the works, we will sanction the works of 500 crore to you in for Telangana. So one of the important thing is the VIP references we have received, that during this year recent flood havoc in Hyderabad city, my colleague Sri Kishan Reddy ji was concerned and requested for repair of this damaged national highway. Our Secretary Sri Giridhar ji took immediate action and funds were immediately released for the same. Honorable MP Sri B. Venkatesh Netaji requested regarding widening of 2 to 4 lane with paved shoulder from Rasampalli to Arjun Gutta of NH 63 on Nizamabad Jagdalpur Road on EPC mode under NH 4 in the state of Telangana. In this regard, it is to inform you that the work has been awarded, ensuring road safety of the concerned project. Honorable MP Sri Komati Reddy Venkat Reddy, they requested regarding the sanction of proposal for widening of existing carriageway width to 6 to 8 lane from LB Nagar to Malakpur from kilometer 15 to kilometer 40 at outer of Hyderabad city on NH 65 in Telangana. In this regard, it is informed you that the project with a provision of approximately rupees 600 crore, the project DPR is under finalization that includes in annual plan 2021, and the sanction will be done by January 2021. Also, many MPs requested me regarding sanction and approval of widening of existing carriageway on National Highway from Hyderabad to Vijayawada section NH 65, connecting Telangana state capital with Vijayawada, financial capital of Andhra Pradesh state. In this regard, it is to inform you that the DPR is under progress. Honorable MP Sri B.B. Patil ji requested regarding repairing of General Service Road leading to Sadashiv Nagar and Ramareddy Mandal on NH 44, Hyderabad Nagpur Highway. In this